Yeah, we
defend.
don't know say no K1 can't win, bro. I tell her that.
Because enough people would pre-say it, you
Me
know.
say he couldn't win, bro, because he wrong.
Really?
He wrong. How am I thinking he wrong? I want to see anything in place could make him win.
Wait, so you win the clash?
Hmm?
Wait, so you win the clash?
Bro, he just can't win. Whether I win now or win where he couldn't win when he smoke clean can't win. So anybody want to judge it or they want to judge it, judge it or they want to judge it. You understand?
But yeah, say like anyway you take it like him I go lose in
This is Real Talk. Real Talk.
DJ Dreadbeard, subscribe now.
Hey yo, people, welcome back to the brand new channel. This is Real Talk. I am your host, DJ Dreadbeard. And throughout the video, if me met no Real Talk, just leave it in the comment. You see me? And like the video and subscribe to the channel if a Real Talk me I make. You see me? So, yo, me know a whole heap of people like them pissed off when them hear Travis asks Tamale, so wait, are you in the clash? Yo, like the reason why I get a Tamale interview, you know, because I him win the clash. Me sure say, try to get Massacre. And Massacre probably reject it. Because, yo, Massacre, body language right now, would I tell we say him lose the clash. You remember how him did look when him there St. Martin? Hold on, I go put it on the screen for those jog on the memory. You see me? So I go move the Tamale interview here and put the Massacre. See him way so like how you see him look this, bro. I saw Massacre would have look on the interview. Yo, the interview would have awkward, bro. You get the bad interview here from Massacre. Probably it would even last half an hour, bro. Like Massacre would have well want this just pack up and just get out of here. I just want to get this interview out of the way. Sure. You see me? Yeah, so for Javi, well, Javi is a Massacre fan, you know. Yeah, so that's why she have the body language to understand. So when she say, so wait, are you in the clash? Even though down in the interview, them are go admit say yo, them run a poll and the poll a say yo a Tamale win. You see me? But yet still she asks if a Tamale win the clash.
Wait, so you win the clash?
Hmm?
Wait, so you win the clash?
Yo, the delusion of these Massacre fans, the quicksand, you see me? Wanna sink. The delusion of the Massacre fans has to be studied, you know, bro. And yo, Tamale find out say is a Massacre fans, you know, so every now and then you see him troll her, you know, but what me I say is, she is a Massacre fans. Me know say them reach out to Massacre, bro, but why them have a Tamale instead of a Massacre? Simple because Tamale are the victor. Tamale are do like a victory lap. You see me, I do some side quests, some side mission. You see me, and bro, would Massacre be this confident, bro? Would you get such a jovial interview? Would the interview last 2 hours? Like, show me one Massacre interview will last half an hour. We pass 14 minutes. Like most of Massacre interview them not last long, bro. Yeah, I do some little quick thing and get out of here quick and fast, bro. So, Tamale, the confidence what Tamale have, it sure say you are him the winner. Like, me tell her all the while now, you see how Javier asks if I him win. Like, you see, if you know say a Massacre win, you not ask if I him win, you know. You tell Tamale say, yo, I can't you win, so how you come up here and attack like a winner. I saw somebody who sure say them win, somebody who bold. Like, the one side people might try convince themselves say, a Massacre win. Like, you not sound believable, bro. Like, what you say, you not even believe it on yourself. So, you just give up. You see me? Yeah, but, yo, bro.
I think that you see that alkaline to the surgery chair.
Yo, be honest, how much I know at the first time when I see the video with the audio? Like, me see it already, you know, but at first, me hear the audio says a Vybz Kartel song did I play, and like Alkaline, them say, oh, Gaza, them say, right, this so. Yo, bro, me feel like say the Alkaline fans, them so desperate, that's them even expose this, bro. Like, a long time we don't hear nothing about Alkaline, you know. Like, Alkaline completely out of the loop, bro. Long time when I hear about Alkaline. Me feel like say, yo, the way the man them desperate, they will release this just to start up a conversation and try to put Alkaline in the argument, you see me? But at one time I talk about this and, yo, me see the clips all the while, but at first me I hear the full thing, like the full audio say, $1 million by a man in a plane in the background and Brando the surgeon and say, yo, Vybz Kartel straight. Even when them post it over Instagram, Brando the surgeon forward in the comment section and say, yo, oh, wouldn't attack me, dog. You see me? Yo, and here what the reason why I want to go now. You know, say Alkaline are the first victim of the strategy where Vybz Kartel use the silent strategy. Yo, a whole heap of people never agree with Vybz Kartel when him just forward out, you know. And I say God is the greatest, and he must say, yo, him a every man good man. Me a Alkaline, me not war Alkaline. Alkaline is a kid, Ray. Bro, a whole heap of people when Vybz Kartel use the strategy, them not understand it, you know. You know, say since one day when Bounty Killer say, yo, a 3 weeks now, me a gonna find man him not answer. You know, say what enough people finally caught up. So when Vybz Kartel are powerful, like a lot of people did say, yo, me not like the new Vybz Kartel. Like, him a dance to Movado music in a club in Jamaica, and him a tell them to pull up Movado song and Alkaline song a play, and him a rock to Alkaline song, and yo, a whole heap of people never understand the strategy, you know. You see me, anything Vybz Kartel do, I hit me a work with, like anything, him, me tell you all the while say, him do the 13 years, him. At the Gaza boss, so me not go try say, yo, me not rate how Vybz Kartel I say God is the greatest. If the man turn on a morning and start get brawling, anything the man do, I hit me agree with, bro. Yeah, so when me see him forward out the first time, I pick it up same time and say, yo, you see the style, yeah? It a kill a whole heap of people, you know. It mash up Alkaline. Alkaline are the first victim, you know, cause when Alkaline run out and I talk about dangerous youth, dangerous piece of boy, I'll know Vybz Kartel and look at him, you know. Remember say Beanie Man run out too with him little song where him play out Boom Sunday, and Vybz Kartel forward out with a statement and say, yo, me nah clash no man. Yo, at the same silent treatment, you know, but now the man take it to a different level where him man nah acknowledge nobody none at all. So it's like how him they forward out and tell Beanie Man say him nah war no man. The level where the man they know, not even that the man would do. Not even forward out, him would have forward out and say that. You would have Beanie Man would have there shoot him shot and feel like say Vybz Kartel like a answer him. Yo, so the man even evolved the silent treatment to a different level right now with Bounty Killer. That's him not answer Bounty Killer none at all. Like him not even a post, a repost, nothing, no kind of shade, nothing. You see me? Yeah man, but a lot of people just caught on how powerful the strategy where Vybz Kartel uses. Only but people never understand it. You see me? But yo people, we have reached the end of another reasoning, you know. Anything we may say throughout the vlog, if a real talk me make, drop a real talk comment in the comment section and like the video if a real talk me make, and subscribe to the channel if a real talk me make. You see the red arrow there where I point to the video there. Yeah, it fresh. You see me just drop it yesterday. It fresh, so if you don't watch it yet, you can go watch it now. You see me? Yo, and this was another episode of This Is Real Talk, and I'm your host DJ Dreadbeard signing out.
This is Real Talk.
Real Talk.
DJ Dreadbeard, subscribe now.